Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Today we study about the topic MS Excel. So MS Excel is a computer program which is used to create electronic spreadsheet. It can be used to organize data, create chart, tables and perform calculation. It is very handy because it can be used to create huge databases, spreadsheets, and it allows us to store better storage for information. And because of the formulas and the shortcuts, it performs calculations well. So Excel consists of workbook. Within every workbook, there are infinite number of worksheets. By default, there are 3 worksheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. But if you want, you can obviously add extra worksheets according to your need. So in MS Excel, if you click on the File button, File tab or the Office button, you can perform basic functions like Control N to open a new workbook, and by clicking on New option, you can also open a new workbook. Clicking on Open, you can open an existing document. Existing means the file which is already saved in your computer. If you want to save for the first time, you can click on any save option, save or save as. If you want to print, you can use the print button and so on. These were the 4 basic options. There are shortcut also. Control N to new notebook, Control O for an existing one, Control S to save, Control P to print. Now ribbon. When you open MS Excel, you can see that every tab is divided into this rectangular region which is known as ribbon, and then ribbons are further divided into groups. So the first, they are tabs like Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab. Then each tab has ribbon like the rectangular portion, and ribbon are further divided into groups: clipboard group, font group, alignment group, and so on. And those groups has multiple options known as command. Then we have cells. In MS Excel, your worksheet is divided into 2 lines, vertical and horizontal. Vertical are known as columns and the horizontal lines are known as rows. So if you want to do the copy paste or the cut paste option, what you have to do, you have to select your cell, click on the copy option, then move to the cell where you want to paste, then right click on the paste option, and it will get pasted. You can see copy, cut, paste. All 3 options are available in the clipboard group option. Clipboard group is present in Home tab. You can also use the right click method, and you can also use the keyboard shortcuts. To cut paste, the method is same. This time you will not click on copy, instead you will click on cut. First select the cell which you want to cut, then click on cut option, then click on the blank cell where you want to paste, then click on paste option, and it will get pasted. For this also you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl plus X for cut and Ctrl plus V for paste. Then we have basic formatting. We all know basic formatting is same in Excel, PowerPoint and Word. Basic formatting means if you want to change the handwriting, if you want to change the size, you want to make it bold, italic, underline, you want to apply borders, you want to change the color of text or the background of the cell. You can do all of these in the font group of Home tab. Okay, so you can see the first one is Calibri. It is a by default handwriting. You can click on the arrow button and check out the other handwritings font options available. Next to that, you can change the size 11. You can take it till 72 or in fact your specific size. BIU, bold, italic, underline. You also get different types of underlined option depending on the Excel version. Then you can use the bucket option to give the background color, and the A option give the text color. Okay, these are the basic formatting functions which you can do in Excel. Next time we will learn the alignment group of home tab. Thank you so much.